A new trail in Sparta comes with a twist for kids. The Born Learning Trail offers 9 different stations for kids to learn different things about the nature and wildlife around them. The interactive trail was a joint project between the Great Rivers United Way and the Sparta Parks and Recreation Department. Even though the trail just opened up, some parents are already saying it is a great asset to the community.
Well, I think it's a good opportunity to add a few more activities to the park. You got the shapes for the younger kids and even a little bit older kids, to identify shapes and flowers and birds and different things like that they have here, and it just gives you an opportunity to spend a little more time with your kids.
Depending on the interest in this first trail, the Great Rivers United Way says they would gladly make more interactive trails in our area.